Hello everyone, welcome back. I am your friend Jennifer. Let's have a quick recap of the last video. In the previous video, we learned how to use the event categories block to start the codes. Let's jump on to see the solution for our DIY activity to make Tobi dance. Let's drag the sprite clicked block to start the code. From now on, we will only use the event category blocks to start our code. Add the say block to introduce Tobi and write, "Hello, I am Tobi." Add another say block and write, "Let me dance." Click on Tobi to run the code. Oh no! I'm not able to see the first text, "Hello, I am Tobi." Can you find out what's wrong? Actually, we need to add a wait time block from the controls category in between the say blocks. It will make them visible for that amount of time. For now, we will add wait block with 1 second. You will learn more about controls category soon. Let's now add the left and right rotate blocks to make Tobi dance. Can you click the input number? You can see a clockwise wheel. Let's select 2 in both left and right turn blocks. Click on Tobi. See, dancing Tobi looks so cute. The stage where Tobi is looks a little empty, right? How about we decorate it by adding a backdrop? Now, what is a backdrop? It is a picture used to decorate our stage and create a surrounding. You can choose a backdrop from the Junior Blocks library, draw one yourself, or upload an image from your computer. To choose a backdrop for our stage, click on this Add Backdrop icon from this space. Do you see this vast library of backdrops? You can select any one of them. Let's select the street backdrop. If we need to add some more elements, like adding a sun or birds or stars to the street backdrop, you can select them from the library or you can easily draw it. You just have to right-click on the backdrop and select the paint option. This is the paint area where we can edit the backdrop. How about adding the sun and clouds to this backdrop? Let's see how it's done. You can use this brush tool on the left side to draw your cloud. Select white color from the color palette below and draw like this. Make sure you connect the lines. Now select the fill color bucket and fill the inside of the cloud with the white color. Voila! We also have another way to add objects as well. Click the Add an Object button, scroll and search for sun. Found it! Added. Let's move it in the sky. Now the scene is ready. Click on the back icon. See the changes? It looks beautiful, doesn't it? So finally, we are starting to make the game. Sorry for making you wait so long, but I'm sure you enjoyed a lot while learning the fun features of Junior Blocks and PictoBlox. Now it's time for the DIY activity. You have to select jungle as the backdrop and add Jungle Book characters like bear, lion, monkey, deer, or any animals as per your wish. Try this fun activity out and let us know if you find any difficulties. This is all we have in this current video. See you soon and start making your first game. Until then, bye-bye!